Hi, I'm Jessica Hallenbeck, your trusted realtor.
Hi, I'm Nikita Burdick, owner of Burdick Law.
We're going to talk today about a few questions that I have for Nikita. And I guess the first question is, I own my home as joint tenancy with my husband and with right of survivorship. Is that good enough for us with a young family if something was to happen to us?
So, when you own a home as joint tenancy with rights of survivorship, what that means is that you will avoid probate if one of you pass. But if both of you and your husband pass, especially with having minor children, that home will go through probate court. And if you have no will in place, then the court will determine who receives that property and how, especially if they're minors, because minors cannot control money or assets.
Okay.
But if you have your home in a trust and something happens to the two of you, then the home is now under the trust and is a creditor protected asset for your children. So it's a much better way to protect your family and your home.
So what you're saying is that if we do that, the money that we have in our estate will go to the kids and less of it will go to the courts. The kids will save money if something was to happen to us. Would that be the case too?
Right, so probate is a very expensive process, a lot more than setting up a trust, so you'll save those costs. What you'll also save though is that when a minor gets money, they usually have to have a guardian set up to manage those funds on their behalf.
Mm-hmm.
The guardian may or may not use the money how you would have wanted the money used. So if you have a trust set up with a young family, we typically set up what's called a children's trust. And that children's trust will say, I retain all the property in the trust for my children, and when they reach 25 years old, for example, they can have their trust share. Until then, it pays for college, and you dictate what it pays for.
Okay. This is really good information, especially for myself, because I have a young family, and definitely something I'm going to look into doing with you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.